So we're gonna start with the category of presentation and appearance, and we decided that Maximus dish was the one that deserved the certificate. Yes! So congratulations. Woo!
This is the one for the most complex, and so the way I looked at it, and I think the way Danielle looked at it, was at the most complex flavors, you know, the different variety and the way they all came together. And so I and Daniela decided to present this award to Reagan for the most complex dish.
So we decided that the technique and execution certificate is going to go to Garrett, but with a mention for taste as well. Okay, so.
Boy, this is taste and flavor and technique and execution.
Okay.
This one we're going to give to, is there somebody named Maxwell here?
Hi.
That's you, right?
Chair. Yeah.